In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Trello in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started with Trello, these simple steps will make your login process smooth and hassle-free. So let's dive right in. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Trello's official website by typing trello.com into the address bar and hitting enter. This will bring you to Trello's homepage, where you have access to a variety of features and information about Trello's services. Once you are on the homepage, take a look around, and towards the upper right hand corner of the page, you'll see the Login button. Go ahead and click on that. This will direct you to the login page where you can access your Trello account. On the login page, you have a couple of options to get into your account. You can either use your email address or opt for the convenience of logging in with your Google account. If you choose the email option, simply enter your email and password in the respective fields. If you've opted for Google, just follow the prompts to authenticate with your Google credentials. This versatility makes accessing your Trello boards really convenient and adaptable to your preferences. After logging in, you'll find yourself at the main dashboard, where your boards and projects are housed. To navigate further, look for the board section from the top menu. Clicking here will direct you to a page listing all your available boards. When you want to dive into a specific project, you need to go to the Your Workspaces section. This area is tailored to house and organize all your linked workspaces. It's a dedicated hub for easy navigation among the different projects or collaborative boards you're working on. Once within your workspaces, you'll find a list of boards that you've created or are a part of. Selecting the board you wish to view or edit is as simple as clicking on its name. This direct access to your project boards is vital for staying organized and keeping track of all tasks at hand. This concludes our quick guide on logging into Trello in 2025, and as you can see, it's a straightforward process designed to streamline your project management experience. With these steps, you'll have no trouble accessing your boards and moving forward with your tasks. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to browse around for more video tutorials. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.